Hello, lovely people. You are welcome to MWH Cooking Chat. Your friend Obapefia, and then first time, please be part of us by subscribing, commenting, liking, and also sharing our videos. Thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. We are really grateful for your support and all the encouragement. And Kalawele. Kalawele is a Ghanaian delicacy. Kalawele is mostly sold in the evening or in the night. All that you will need is your ripe plantain and some seasonings. Let's start with our plantain. So we draw cocoa we say you can decide to remove the seeds or not. It's totally optional. So we body nabano, so when you nabano, it will not change the taste of your kalawele. Inti media me prefer say me yi abane frame. Inti enye den kra. Just make sure say wadwa cocoa no enhwa ye true. Inti untwa wansa. Witimi yi nabane nyina frame na wapapa mu enti you put them together and you cut them into dicey shape just as I'm doing. Simple like this. And after that you gather all into one large or a sizable bowl that you can add your seasonings. Kalawele a fried food mean too for say fire to muda and a woody bar netra was yassidia one way at the bia bepese ube dibi bet we try back on a yoda a ya yet to two. Inti ye cocoa you trying to find the rest of our ingredients in where powdered pepper, where our salt, where ginger and onion paste, and of course our granules. There is no kalawele without granules, roasted granules. Inti kalawele no ebimu wawa omunkate no omudi anwa na omudi beche kalawele na enechi mintu fu se eya ajanisa fried foods as makacho no enise wudi ni bebre inti wo bechiwe if there is another option ubetumi de ache onkate na unyusu anwa I will please encourage you to use that than frying it in the oil. Medase into season and of course our homemade natural spices kakra be containing rosemary, star anise, bay leaves any ebema na yisham into the nyina make sure say you stir it very well for all the plantains to come in contact with your seasonings in order to have a uniform taste after frying it. Ushie o kalawele na egu anwa musia mesro enya honko just stand by and turn it around just as I'm doing it. Within some 10 to 15 minutes your kalawele will turn to golden brown and you see that it is done. Remove it from the oil and press it for some of the oil to come out. You put it in a bowl that the oil can just drain into it. After that, look at it. It is nicely cooked. You serve it on a clean sheet like this, like A4 sheet or kitchen towel for it to absorb the excess oil, just as I've just done. Now I've lined my plate with A4 sheet and a paper towel at the same time. Into any mesro didn't be brave a oily food, you didn't kakra into take it to a beer or the one katiaka. I'll press him where brami any day. May that's a pass or shame. So I need to video who subscribe, comment, like, share for all your loved ones. See you in our next video. Bye.